Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is formation of joint stock company. So joint stock company have the following procedure to formation, the plan and access. The formation of company involve following stage: first, promotion, incorporation, capital subscription stage, commencement of business. The first we discuss the what is promotion. Promotion stage include all the stage right from the concepts of the idea of starting the company till it form. It is a process of planning, organizing all the resources required to form a company. Promotion involve discovery of business idea, it investigate and assembling necessary resources to set up the business. Thus, person who perform all the activity during the promotion stage known as promoters. The promoter conscious the business ideas take all the incentive to form a company. The promoter can be an indivisible group of person or institution. So promoter perform the following functions, and these functions are known as the step in the promotion stage. The stage step in promotion stage for identifications of business opportunity. The promotion stage begin with the discovery of an idea to set up a business. It can be idea to set up a new business or an idea to expand the existing business. The promoter identify the profitability of idea by analyzing the opportunity of available in that area. The promoter also analyze the various resources required, amount of capital required, and degree of risk involved. Next, feasibility study. After analyzing all the concepts related to idea discovered, the promoter start doing the detailed investigation to give practical shape to the idea. He does detailed investigation regarding cost, profitability, production process, demand of the product. While doing this, the promoter take the help of specialists and experts such as chartered accountant engineer. The specialist make the objective analysis all the detail collected by the promoter. Next, technical feasibility. Sometimes the idea is good, but technically it may not be possible to implement the idea. It may due to the non-availability of raw material, input, technology. The project is considered technically unfeasible unless the technology other required input imported or available in our country. Next, financial feasibility. If the required capital fund are for the business idea are so large these cannot be arranged within available means, then it is said to be financially unfeasible. For example, one may have to idea to unbench the rural areas, but the funds required to carry out this idea are so huge that it may not be converted into action plan due to the financial unfeasibility. Next, economic feasibility. Sometimes the project may be abandoned just because it may not be very profitable. Generally, businessmen prefer to carry on with the idea which are profitably. Next, name approval. Two company cannot be identical name. It is necessary for the company to get name approved from the registrar so that it does not match with any other company. Generally, company gives these name in order to priority to the register match the name with name of the other companies, and if it is the not identical then register approve the name. Fixing of the signature into memorandum of promoter have to be decide the people who will sign the memorandum. Usually the signature of the memorandum become the first director of the company. Next, appointment of the professional. Promoter appoint the broker and the writer to ensure the availability of capital by sale of the company security, and solicitor appoint to the with legal matter of the company. Banker appointed to have the smooth financial deals. Preparations of necessary document. Promoter take up step to prepare the legal document of the company which have to be submitted with the register at the time of incorporation. The common document which are prepared by the promoter of are memorandum of association, article of association, and prospects. Thank you.